If you will lift up your hands for the Lord, you are the people of God, and God's will is to bless you. So here in the language of the Bible, the blessing. The Lord God bless you, child of God.